difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to look much better in clothes. And this is going to help a lot of you, so be sure to watch it till the end. Number one tip I would give you to how to look better in clothes is first buying good clothes. Clothes which fit you, clothes which are of good quality, not necessarily clothes which are like super expensive or so. This polo neck which I have, it's of 800 Indian rupees, and normal shirts like t-shirts I have, like white tees, black tees, they're of 199, 299. I pick out those tees which fit me. And now if you're a skinny dude, like literally if you're a bone, okay, just skin and bone, you're not gonna find any tees that fit you to like properly. And the reason is because you don't lift, you have no muscle, you're just one scrawny little dude. So clothes are of course not gonna look good on you, they're just gonna be baggy and stuff. I remember when I was skinny, when I used to not lift, I looked horrible in tees and stuff, because the reason was, dude, you're scrawny and clothes won't fit you, and if they don't fit you and they don't like form a layer around you, you're not gonna look that good. Number two is to buy clothes wisely. Now, I'm not gonna like tell you buy this and that. I'm just gonna give you some few examples of what you can buy. I'd say buy one white half sleeve tee, one full sleeve white tee, one half sleeve black tee, one full white sleeve, one full black sleeve, one full black sleeve tee. I mean like a full shirt, I mean like a full, you get what I'm saying, right? White half, white full, black half, black full. Then white denim jeans, like light blue denim jeans, carrot fit. Black denim jeans, carrot fit. And for shoes, buy one pair of white Converses, one pair of black Converses. Most preferably leather, which I'm wearing on right now, you must have seen. I put on my Instagram story, by the way. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is @Maximus_Arana. I post really cool content and you should definitely check it out. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, dude, you're missing out on a lot. I'm pretty active on Instagram. So, and as for that, white polo necks, black polo necks, pretty good for winter. As for jackets, a denim jacket, a leather jacket. Yeah, that's all you need. And you know, for spring, fall, like just going out somewhere to chill, you can wear on a camouflage jacket. And the reason I'm telling you to buy white and black tees is because it can fit with any jacket. White and black polo necks fit with any jacket. These are basics, and if you invest in basics rather than all those printed and crappy items like commercial stores sell, you're just going to be wasting money. Alright, so just buy basics and mix and match it with good quality jackets and shoes and jeans, and you're going to look much better. And also own one tuxedo suit. It's going to level up your wardrobe. Next tip I would give you guys is to carry yourself. Be confident in the way you walk, talk, and you look much better. Like, you're already wearing on good clothes, it fits you, you're not scrawny, you have some muscle, and clothes fit you. And also I'm going to make a guide to beginners for gym on what to do, what not to do in the future, so stay tuned for that. Turn the notifications bell on to be notified whenever it's posted. So the way you carry yourself is gonna play a huge difference. And if you walk around confidently, or if you're slouching like that, you're not carrying yourself properly, you have a recessed jaw, your hair's not good, and just like, oh dude, you're not gonna look good. Smile, like flex your jaw. Just carry yourself nicely and you look much better. Don't be sloppy, be confident, and be an alpha. That's it for today's video. If you guys found it helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, turn the notifications bell on, follow me on Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. I'll see you in the next video. Wait, the topic of discussion for today's video. What shall it be? I never think of it. Hey, let's do something new. You write the topic of discussion for today's video in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
So